So just a note on equating efficiency, or equating the real and imaginary parts. Real and imaginary. So just a quick note on it. Well, I suppose if I give you the complex number 3 plus 10i is equal to 3 plus 10i. Like you can clearly see there that the reals match and the imaginaries. The 10 matches up with the 10. You can see that. But if I start disguising this stuff, lads, if I start going a plus bi is equal to 3 plus 10i, now you can clearly see here the real equates with the real. So your a is very simply 3, and again, if you can see here, the imaginary equates with the imaginary. Now it's up to you. I usually just go straight to b equals 10, but if you're unsure about that, go bi is equal to 10i, divide by i, and you get your b is equal to 10. So now they get a little bit harder. If I give you one like this, maybe, I don't know, just a random one again, let's say maybe I told you minus 2a plus 3bi is equal to 3 plus 10i. Now this is a bit of a trickier one here, minus 2a plus 3bi is equal to that. But if I go again and equate the reals, the real with the real, the thing with no i's in it, we'll end up getting minus 2a is equal to 3. Then you divide by minus 2. I know I skipped that in the video, showing you dividing by minus 2 there will give you a, and divide the other side by minus 2. So you'll end up with a is equal to minus 3 over 2. Or you can leave it like that. The other one, again, if you want to just leave out the i's, you'll get 3b is equal to 10. Or, if you're a bit unsure, leave in the I, then divide by the I, and then divide by 3. Zombie nation. Bang.